Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix cannot reset password. This Apple ID is either not valid or not supported. So guys, if you're trying to reset the password for your Apple account or Apple ID but you're facing this issue here, I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all, open settings on your device and scroll it below and tap on general, and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version. So guys, if there is any update available, simply update it, and after this go back and now scroll it below and tap on screen time, and then scroll it below and tap on content and privacy, and now turn off the toggle for content and privacy restrictions from here if it is on. So guys, simply do this, and after this go back and open your Apple ID, and then you have to tap on the sign in and security option, and then tap on change password and enter the passcode for your device. And now try to change the password for your Apple account. And if you're still facing this issue and you are unable to change the password, now go back and then open any browser and search here for I forgot.appleid.com. Here it is. Simply open this website or the link and now tap on help someone else, or you can use your ID, and now try to reset the password for your Apple account again from here. So guys, check if the process is working or not, and if it is not working, then go back and search here for the Apple support website. Here you can see this. You have to simply search here for support.apple.com. Here it is, and now tap on your device and select your device whichever you are using, and then you have to simply contact the Apple support team from here, and then you have to simply explain your problem to them in a brief way, and they will try to fix this problem for you within 24 hours. So guys, hopefully your problem will be fixed, and if you still face this problem, then change your device and try to change the password on the latest device. So guys, hopefully this will fix your problem. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.